In the previous video, we saw how to import data from text files in R. In this video, we want to get data from Excel files. One of the most common file formats to store data is Excel spreadsheets. We could export data from a spreadsheet to a CSV or TSV file format and import the text file into R. However, it is possible to get data directly out of an Excel spreadsheet and into R using the read Excel function, which belongs to a read Excel package. Iris is one of the built-in R datasets. I have exported this dataset from R and saved it in an Excel file. I want to import the data directly into R. The data is on the second worksheet. Here we have 150 observations on 5 variables: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and species. A species is composed of 3 classes of 50 instances each, where each class refers to a type of iris plant. Let's select the iris file. In addition to file path, we could set a number of optional arguments for the read Excel function. For the sheet argument, we could specify the integer of the worksheet. We set this argument to 2. For the column names, we set the value of the argument to true, as the first row of the worksheet contains column names. In the iris data, there is no special character for missing data, so we will not change the NA argument. The read Excel function reads both XLS and XLSX files. Let's take a look at the data. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.